Welcome. If you're looking for the latest way to abort a group video chat in Telegram on your PC after the newest update, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and keep things simple so you can get your call ended smoothly, with no stress. Start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Log in if you need to, and once you're there, find the group where the video chat is happening. You can use the search bar or scroll through your chats to locate it. When you're inside the group chat, take a look at the top of the group window. You'll see a row of icons. Click the call icon, which is the one in the middle. This is your gateway for all group call actions. Next, select Start Video Chat. Telegram will prompt you to choose your account if you have more than one logged in. Pick the account you want and click Continue. Now the video chat will begin. To end it, pay attention to the top or side menu of the video chat window. Click on the three dots for more options. From the drop-down, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see the option End Video Chat. Click on it. Telegram will ask you to confirm your decision. Check the box that says End Video Chat to completely stop the session for everyone in the group. Once you've confirmed, the video chat will end and all participants will be disconnected. You can now click Close to exit the video chat interface and return to your usual group chat. And that's all you need to do. You've learned how to smoothly abort a group video chat on Telegram on your PC, making sure everyone's off the call and the session is properly closed. Whether you're finishing a meeting or just want to wrap up the group chat, these steps ensure you stay in control and keep your Telegram experience seamless.